Hello friends, today we are going to learn our new point in topic number 3 is types of chemical reactions. There are various types of chemical reaction in our 10th standard, but today we are going to learn only 4 types today which are very important. So let us continue with first type. First type of reaction is combination reaction. Look at the 3 example of reaction is given here. First is 2Mg plus O2 is equal to 2MgO. Second reaction C plus O2 is equal to CO2. And the third reaction is 2Na plus Cl2 is equal to 2NaCl. या तिन्ही रिएक्शनचं तुम्ही जर काळजीपूर्वक निरीक्षण केला तर तुमच्या असं लक्षात येईल रिएक्टंट which are left side of the reaction there are 2 reactants in each example and observe the product in 3 examples. In this 3 example only one product is formed. So what is meant by combination reaction? The combination reaction means the reaction in which 2 or more reactants forms only one single product is called as combination reaction. Let us see second type of reaction is called as decomposition reaction, ज्याला मराठीमध्ये अपघटन अभिक्रिया असे म्हणतात. To clear this point, let us see these 2 reactions. First reaction is calcium carbonate. When we given heat to calcium carbonate which forms into 2 products, calcium oxide and CO2. In the second example, this is the molecular formula of sugar C12H22O11. If we given heat to sugar, it forms into again 2 products. 12C means carbon plus 11H2O. Please observe carefully these 2 reactions. From these 2 reactions we conclude that when there are 2 or more products are formed from single reactant. First example only one reactant, in the second example there is only one reactant, but products are 2 or more. Means if there are 2 or more products are formed from single reactant, the type of reaction is called as decomposition reaction. Now we learn third type. Third type is displacement reaction. For this, see carefully these 2 example of reactions. First example is copper sulfate reacts with iron Fe which forms FeSO4 plus C. In the second example, zinc sulfate reacts with Pb lead which converts into PbSO4 plus Zn. If you observe carefully these 2 reactions, it may be clear that when the low reactive element displaces its place with the highly reactive element, the new products are formed. This reaction is called as displacement reaction. म्हणजेच ज्या रासायनिक अभिक्रियेमध्ये कमी अभिक्रियाशील धातूची जागा जास्त अभिक्रियाशील धातू जर घेत असेल तर अशा रिएक्शनला डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन म्हणतात. In this example, the place of copper displaced by Fe means Fe is highly reactive than copper. So, such type of reaction is called as displacement reaction. Fourth reaction is double displacement reaction. For this, look at this example of reaction. K2CrO4 means potassium chromate reacts with barium chloride BaCl2 which forms K2Cl2 means potassium chloride and barium chromate. In this example example, the two ions exchange their places. In this reaction, K2 and Cl2 combines with each other and barium and chromate combines with each other. Means in any reaction in which the two ions changes its place, such a reaction is called as double displacement reaction. म्हणजेच ज्या रासायनिक अभिक्रियेमध्ये आयनांची जर का अदलाबदल होत असेल तर अशा रिएक्शनला डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन असे म्हणतात. So these are the four main types of chemical reactions. These four reactions you have to write in your notebook and send on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.